run MAMP and then go to MAMP preferences, web server, change the folder to a new folder. Here, public and like, and this folder public because it's public folder in Laravel, and you can click OK. And then let's start server. When it's finished, you can click on open the start page and go to tools, which my admin. You can create a database, which name, like, and then click create. Okay. It's finished, and we can go back to Visual Studio Code and go to M. Here, in the DB connection, we can change database to block, block, and root. You can see the password from here and the port number 2. Change port number if it's necessary, and save file. Then go to terminal and run this code again, and it's create table successfully. After that, we can test or tables, which my admin, and you can see here the categories, full job, migration, have a mistake, like a mistake, why is not true. Migration that we say posted. It's created with Laravel.